Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in Georgia without an attorney. First, ensure you meet the state's residency rules, typically 6 months. Next, decide if your divorce is uncontested, meaning you and your spouse agree on all terms, or contested. This distinction is crucial for selecting the correct forms. Finally, collect all relevant paperwork, including financial statements and property deeds, to streamline the process. Once you've gathered your documents, carefully complete all required forms. The petition for divorce is your starting point, but many other forms may be needed depending on your situation. After filling them out, take them to the Superior Court in the county where your spouse resides or where you meet residency requirements. Remember to pay the filing fees, which can vary, or apply for a fee waiver if your income is below a certain threshold. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. And on another note, navigating legal processes can be stressful, so remember to stay hydrated. I highly recommend the Oala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your water cold all day. Check the description below for a link to the Oala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After filing, you must legally serve your spouse with the divorce papers. This ensures they are officially notified of the proceedings. There are specific rules for service, often involving a sheriff or private process server. Once served, your spouse has a set number of days to respond. Be prepared to attend any court hearings or mediation sessions the judge schedules, and always follow the court's instructions carefully throughout the process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.